Hi everyone, Jai Bhim to all. My name is Banpati Gopal. I am studying in Delhi University, that is Hindu College. I am pursuing BSc Honours Botany, second year. So today I am going to talk about Dr. Haris Praveen Kumar. Recently false allegations were filed on Dr. Haris Praveen Kumar. I don't know why this statement has been came. The questions I am going to raise is uplifting the downtrodden and marginalized people and their development and progress for their development and enlightening their lamps. Is it false? Doing this such a things and great things for the welfare of the poor people, is it false? These are all questions. I don't know why the people who were raised a voice against Dr. RSP is absolutely incorrect, because without knowing the ground realities we cannot have rights to judge on other people, because the things whatever he has done, lot of entire country know, world also know. Rocking Mount Everest through Purnam and Anand. Is it wrong? The whatever things has been done for the welfare of the poor people, is it wrong? So before throwing comments, before throwing something, before throwing some nonsense thoughts on RSP, please take a minute and self-examine yourself whether you are posting that comments is helpful for the society or not. So one thing I'm going to make you clear, that is, this is a jealous of the other people who don't have humanity. Past 8 years, RSP is working very extraordinary and outstanding under the two leaderships of Kiran Kumar Reddy and CM KCR. So they are only praised his activities, and entire society is praising him. But few culprits were making nonsense comments on him. So it is absolutely incorrect. I really sorrow about this issue. I really have a pain on my bottom of my heart. So happiness happens. So please be careful while you are commenting on such a huge personality, because people were treating the downtrodden and other people and rest of the people were treating him as a modern Ambedkar. While he is in progress, we should not be lacking, we should not be demotivating, we need to be encouraging. If you don't have curiosity to encourage him or to support him, just stay calm. But don't be possessed, don't be put nonsense comments that makes a humanity loss. At the same time, the thoughts, the development, executive plans, all will be collapsed. So my humble request is, before posting a comment, think a while, know the ground reality, then come to the theater and social media platform and you can have a question. So it doesn't mean that why I am speaking this, it doesn't mean that we don't have rights to speak. Yes, we have rights, but we don't have rights in the aspect of judging someone. Abdul Kalam always used to say that, salute your duty, so that you cannot salute others anymore. If you pollute your duty, you need to salute everyone. So RSP is following that command, and at the same time he is respecting other things as per the society. But please be careful while posting on RSP. This is my humble request, and thank you.